Welcome back, my dear ethical hackers. We learned how we can use Kali Linux Nmap command to perform active scanning. Now, what if we want to perform active scanning on Windows? How to scan on Windows? For this, we will be using a tool called the Zenmap tool. Zenmap tool is nothing but the Nmap tool in the Windows format. Let's get hands-on and let's see how we can download and install this command. Let's go to Windows. Let's go to the Windows Firefox browser. Make sure you download Firefox browser. This one will help you in downloading the right tools. For certain hacking tools, download only Firefox will work. Brave will not work. Microsoft Edge will not work. And Chrome will not work, but Firefox will work. Let's go to Firefox. Let us search for Nmap for Windows. For using this tool, we can do pretty much everything that we did in Kali. Only thing is, this is a GUI format and it is much more easier to use. I'm just clicking on the very first link that has come in Google. It's taking me to nmap.org. Let's go to download folder. And we will download Nmap 7.95 setup.exe. This is the current version of Nmap. Let's click on this. Let's go to the downloads folder now. And let's run Nmap for Windows. So this is the setup file. Let's just double click the file and let's get on with it. So agree, simple setup. Next, install. That's it. Agree. Okay guys, as we can see, the file has been downloaded and installed successfully. Let's hit the finish button. And the rest of the process is going on. Finish. You can see the icon on the desktop. And we'll wait for the Nmap tool to get started. And there we see that the Zenmaps tool, the Nmap tool for Windows, that is a Zenmap tool, has been successfully launched. Let us type in the IP address that you wish to scan. Here you just type the target here, 192.168.38.137. I'm scanning Metasploitable. Metasploitable will not work. We'll have to scan this one because at Windows it may not scan Kali. Let us just click here. Let's get Intense Scan. You can choose the ping scan. This is the easiest scan, -SN. This will be a simple ping scan just to show whether the host is live or not. In other words, it'll check this IP address and see whether it is on or whether it is off. It just says that the host is up. Not bad. It just took 1.1 seconds for it to find that out. If there are any services and hosts and all, we can try some of the commands for that. So we can just say intense scan for all the TCP ports. So that is showing you all the TCP ports, and -A, -V, and -P followed by all the port scans. Let's just hit the scan button. And as you can see, it is performing all the scans without you needing to do anything. You just have to select what you want to scan in the drop down and the tool is doing it for you. So unlike the Nmap command where you have to type in all those commands and you have to remember all those commands, this is all done for you. It's a very cool tool. And there you can see it's showing you these are all the open ports and all that stuff, right? So it's showing you everything that you really need to know, all right there at a snap of a finger, just like that. That's it. So we have, within 10 seconds, we have scanned the whole thing. Just click on ports and hosts, topology, host details, scans to get further information about what you have scanned. That's your hosts and that's your services that are running. So very simple step, you go down and you can choose quick scan plus, trace route, regular scan, slow comprehensive scan, intense scan, any other types. So intense scan is T4 and you just click on scan and now this will give you the intense scan details. So as you can see, it's a very powerful tool and yet it's very simple to use. And here you could even try, if you wanted to scan the entire network range, all you would have to do is you would have just put 1.1 over here and /24. And this is how you can see that the command is automatically replicating down there. And all you have to do is you have to click on which type of scan you want to select. And that's it. Quick scan, the fast scan of so many ports. Just click on scan. All the devices on the network will be scanned over here. Obviously, I don't have that many devices on the network right now, since this is just a demo lab. But even then, all those would be scanned and they would be listed over here. So that's basically how the Zenmap tool works. We'll stop the scan because it's going to take maybe quite some time. So that's all for this video, guys. You can see how easy it was for us to get the Zenmap tool for Windows done. That's all for this. And guys, with this, we have successfully completed this particular module. And now we will meet in the next module.